Alright guys and gals, let's get ready to do it again. So, if you're wondering why they have the exhaust super silver, I don't know why, it doesn't really match the truck because everything else is subdued in black, matte black. Super easy upgrade, just to spray paint this guy. The whole process only takes an hour from prep to paint to curing, and it looks a lot better than trying to buy that black chrome expensive tip which only covers the end and does not paint the entire exhaust, and honestly looks tacky versus this. First thing, you want to go and buy this Rust-Oleum high heat ceramic coating matte black spray. Could be at your local hardware store, department store. It's not hard to find. With paint in hand, now we're going to prep the surface to be painted. All we're doing really is washing it down with soap and water, or if your Tacoma is new enough, really just washing off any dust or grime that would have accumulated since you first got it. If it's not pristine enough, probably use a degreaser to get off whatever substance you got stuck to this. Really just clean as far as you feel comfortable painting. I just cleaned the can, and that was really where I stopped. And then just make sure you're drying everything off. Next, you'll need to drop the spare tire. You can either do that before the cleaning or after. It mainly just gives you a clear shot to paint the entire exhaust as far as you want to go. Makes it a lot easier to reach. I grabbed some rubbish bags and masking tape and just taped up areas they didn't want to spray. Figured to make it easier if I could just blast it however I saw fit. Now here's really where the fun begins. Spraying the exhaust. Getting rid of that silver, bringing that matte black out. As you're spraying, just do a bunch of light coats and let them dry in between. If you're spraying too hard, too heavy, it's gonna beat up, cause little droplets, and it's not gonna look good. You have to keep repainting or maybe even sand it away. Between each coating, I'd probably let it sit for about 5 minutes, and that seemed to work fine, spraying the entire exhaust.
Can you see it?
You can see where I stopped painting, where the masking tape ends with the exhaust. There's also that little black paint speck on the can. Painting over it looks like it went away, but as soon as everything dried, it kind of had like an off color there. Again, bottom of the truck, no one's gonna see it. If you're OCD, I don't know, maybe you have to sand that little spot away if you have it on yours. Be sure to spray inside your exhaust as well, otherwise it's gonna be pretty obvious. I pushed that paper towel in deeper than what you're seeing there, mainly to get more black inside, so the silver was not visible. Now, in order to get this paint to last, there's a special curing process. So you read the back of the can, big picture, you're running the engine, turn it off, running the engine, turn it off, getting it hot and cold and just letting it really set. And after that, you're done. Congrats, because your truck probably looks 1,000 times better than it did before, and probably only cost you $20 to do this.